Okay, so this is the XC20 outside unit, and we brought it outside here, removed the older unit, and set it up here. Show you guys from inside. So this one still have the copper fence, but the inside coils are aluminum, as you can see, but the sides are still copper. They come with the filter dryer inside, as you can see. And the bottom is lifted. It's the Lennox Delight series. And about these anchors that I'm going to be putting on to bolt it to the concrete so it doesn't move. Okay guys, so I removed the panel, and here you can see all the electronics for the communication for this unit. Pretty complex system as compared to a single stage unit. You know, as you can see, a lot of circuitry, board and everything. But again, nothing to panic about. I mean, you know, these things are made to last. So I'm pretty confident that this is going to last me a long time, you know. I'm right here at the outdoor unit, and as you can see, it matches what I have right here. So this connector was inside, kind of stuck right here with the paperwork, and I had to take it out and plug it in and then wire it. So this is removable. This thing comes off out of this casing. You just have to plug it in and then you have to wire it. So again, no color coding as long as you're consistent with the wiring. So whichever wire you're using here, you know, whatever color you're using in the R, you just have to make sure you're using the same one on this side. So I'm done with the wiring over here, at least on the low voltage side. Now I just have to connect the high voltage wiring, which is this guy. It's gonna come up right here, and then I'm gonna connect it on the bottom. So we'll see how that one goes. Okay, so now we're getting ready to braze it, and what we did was cut this piece off because this was a lot bigger than the 7/8 size. So cut it, and then we made the hole a little bit bigger using this kit, and the one I used was 7/8. Worked out good. And we did the same thing over here. So now it's just a matter of us connecting this pipe to that pipe with the elbow. There you go. Fits right in. Okay, so where you can see, we expanded this joint, and this one slides right in. Did the same thing over here. We made a bent right here, and fits right in. So now we're just gonna put a towel there and start brazing. Before that, we have to put nitrogen in there. So we're flowing nitrogen, and then we'll start brazing. Okay, we're ready to braze. I am flowing nitrogen. That's good. I'm just gonna close it. Okay, so I'm gonna put nitrogen. I'm flowing nitrogen right now.
That was good. But you see,
Okay, so now we're gonna do the pressure test. So I have my gauge connected, the blue one and the red one, and the yellow one comes to the nitrogen. And we're just gonna open it up.
you can go 200.
I have close to 200 psi in there. This gauge shows very close to 200. So we'll go up there and see. See, it shows you on the low side you can go to 36 psig, and high side 448. That's the design pressure, so you don't want to go higher than that. Okay guys, so we released the pressure. It was holding pretty good. We did not find any leaks. And now we're ready to pull the vacuum. That will be in another video in the description link below. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.